Every day of waiting costs millions in corrosion damage. Traditionally, monitoring means collecting samples, sending them to a lab, and waiting days, sometimes weeks, for the results. But while you wait, corrosion does not stop. It just spreads silently, weakening your pipelines, and for sure raising risks and driving up repair costs. That's why we created MiCorr, mobile in situ corrosion monitoring equipment. Instead of you sending samples to the lab, MiCorr now brings the lab to your site. Installed directly onto your pipelines, it can perform in situ electrochemical analysis and delivers lab-grade results in real time. No more delays, no guessing work, just instant, reliable monitoring. MiCorr combines lab precision with on-site speed. It continuously monitors your assets, detecting early signs of corrosion before failures happen. With MiCorr, you move from slow reactive monitoring to fast and proactive protection. The results? Yes, less downtime, lower costs, more confidence. Our field trials show reliability improved by up to 30% while reducing unplanned shutdowns and repair expenses. With MiCorr, operators now can make faster, smarter decisions and protect their assets with confidence. MiCorr is already proving itself in real operating environments. Now it's time to bring this innovation to your assets. Move beyond delays and gain real-time corrosion intelligence. MiCorr bringing to the lab to your site.